Zoho Projects and nTask, two project management giants. One big question: which one truly stands out? On the left, we have Zoho Projects, known for its robust features and flexible workflows. And on the right, nTask, a rising star focused on straightforward project planning and collaboration. We'll be putting both through real-world project management tests that actually matter. Interface design, ease of use, integrations, pricing, functionality, and more. Let's leave the marketing jargon behind and get to what's real. Each category racks up points, and at the end you'll know which platform comes out ahead. The winner might surprise you. Let's dive right in. So here's a quick look at all the stuff we're gonna compare these two on. Price, features and customization, integrations, just how easy they are to use, mobile and accessibility, the whole ecosystem, and of course, support and community. Yup, buckle up, it's a lot. Alright, let's kick things off with price. So nTask, honestly, is super budget-friendly. Like, you can get going without having to pitch your CFO, very affordable for small teams, and those flexible plans mean you're not stuck overpaying. But yeah, some features are gonna cost you extra if you really go big. Now, Zoho Projects does have a free plan, but when you want those premium tools, you're gonna see the cost go up, especially as your team grows. Is that a deal breaker? Maybe, maybe not, but in terms of price alone, nTask kinda runs away with this one. Features and customization, oh man, Zoho Projects really flexes here. I mean, Gantt charts, resource management, timesheets, all sorts of ways to tweak and automate your workflows. Yeah, it's powerful, almost too powerful if you're new. There is a bit of a learning curve, not gonna lie. nTask, on the other hand, is more like, hey, let's make a to-do list, some Kanban boards, track issues, and you're good. It's way simpler. But if you want those wild automations or deep reporting, you'll hit a wall. Zoho takes this round, hands down. Alright, let's talk integrations, because who wants a platform that's stuck on an island, right? Zoho Projects is basically integration royalty. Google, Microsoft, Slack, a whole bunch of Zoho stuff, you name it. The catch: not all those integrations are unlocked unless you're paying for the fancier plans. With nTask, you do get some good basics, Slack, Zoom, calendars, but it's just less. For the integration nerds out there, Zoho's got your back. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Zoho Projects has actually been around since 2006? nTask didn't even show up until almost 10 years later. Just a little fun fact if you're partial to the OGs of project management. Ease of use, super important. Imagine onboarding a new team member and they're immediately lost. That won't really happen with nTask. It's dead simple, super intuitive, and honestly, your grandma could probably set up a board. Zoho Projects, though, it's got a cute modern look and some guided onboarding, but if you're not ready, the advanced features might just trip you up. So for anyone who wants to just get started and go, nTask is the one. Mobile and accessibility, both are actually pretty solid here. Zoho Projects has strong mobile apps and works across platforms. Sometimes the UI on your phone can feel a little cramped, but nothing you can't handle. nTask rolls out nice Android and iOS apps too. The web interface is super responsive. But not shockingly, some advanced features are just not as deep on mobile for either. I'd call this one a tie. Let's talk ecosystem, because let's be real, once you're hooked in, that's hard to leave. Zoho Projects is basically like, hey, you love Zoho CRM, here's Desk, here's Invoice, have it all. It feels amazing if your team is already deep in Zoho land. nTask keeps it simple. It works solo, so you're not locked into anything. That's great for flexibility, but if you crave that seamless experience, oh man, Zoho is way ahead. Support and community. Zoho Projects, plenty of documentation, active forums, 24/5 live support, but yeah, phone support is a perk for premium plans only. Still, it's robust. nTask, they do a good job for the essentials, and the onboarding guides get you moving, but honestly, there's just not a huge knowledge base yet, and live help is a bit limited. So if you're the type to need backup, Zoho nails it. Okay, check out this breakdown. You can really see where each tool shines and, well, where things are just a little meh. Some categories are close, but I think you can spot who's got the edge overall. So what's the real answer? Here's my take. If you run a bigger or fast-growing team and you need serious features, endless integrations, and power, Zoho Projects is the obvious pick. But honestly, if you're a small crew or just want something easy that gets the job done without making your wallet cry, nTask totally delivers. It's kinda as simple as that. If you found this helpful, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss our next deep dive. There's always more tech drama to cover.